Hello beautiful people, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're one of my returning subscribers, I do appreciate the love and support. Thank you so much. But if you're stopping by for the first time, thank you for clicking on this video. In today's video, I'm going to show you an amazing hair growth treatment using natural ingredients. And one of my natural ingredients for today's recipe is cloves. Cloves are really powerful and it does a whole lot of great things for the hair. If you are suffering from any scalp issues, cloves can help you resolve that. My next ingredient for today's recipe is ginger. Ginger has amazing benefits that will treat your scalp and make you grow new healthy hair. But before going into all that, I would love for you to show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you are new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you will always be notified. On this channel, I do a whole lot of DIYs that can help you grow your hair much faster using natural ingredients. Ingredients you can even find in your own kitchen. I also show you how to care for your hair. And guess what? I love to read your comments. So make sure to leave me a comment in the section below and I'll make sure to reply to you. So as I get my ginger ready, I just make sure to peel the skin off. Then after that, I'm going to wash it. Make sure you give it a good wash because you do not want any bacteria or dirt in this recipe. And guess what? We do not also want any water in this recipe. So once we wash it, we will have to dry it with a paper towel or any clean cloth that you might have. Ginger can help improve the circulation of blood in your scalp, and this will help you grow new healthy hair. Also, the many minerals, vitamins, and also fatty acids present in ginger will strengthen your hair strength and prevent hair loss. My next ingredient for today's recipe is garlic. Garlic has antifungal and antimicrobial properties that can help treat your scalp. So if you're someone suffering from dandruff, if your scalp is always itchy, or you're having any scalp issues that is going to hinder your hair from growing, you must incorporate ginger in your hair care regimen because new hair always grows from the scalp. So if you have all these things going on your scalp, then it's going to be hard for you to grow new healthy hair. Garlic also contains vitamin C that can help improve healthy hair growth. It can also stop hair loss, hair shedding, hair fall, or any kind of hair issues. It is also known to boost collagen production, which is also great for our hair. So I have about 4 garlic. I'm going to wash it, make sure to dry it. Then after that, I'm going to add it to my ginger. And here you are. If you're still watching me to this point and haven't shown your girl some love, what are you waiting for? Show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you will always be notified. And also do not forget to share my videos with your friends and families who might also benefit from this hair growth recipe. And I love reading your comments, so make sure you leave me a comment in the section below and I will make sure to reply to you. So at this point, I put all my ingredients in my blender and now I'm going to blend it away like no one's business. Alright, so after blending everything together, I'm going to show you what I'm going to do next. And guys, guess what? This treatment is so powerful. But the only trick is if you do not know the right way to use it, you're not going to get all the benefits out of it. So make sure you're not skipping any part of it because I'm going to show you all the steps you need to achieve the best recipe and also the best way to use it. So at this point, I just transferred my recipe into my saucepan and I'm going to add my carrier oil. I'm going to add my pure grapeseed oil. Just reading on the bottle, you can see so many benefits of the grapeseed oil. It has omega-3 and omega-6 as well as some vitamin E. And this all together is great for the hair. But you do not have to use grapeseed oil. You can use any oil that works for your hair. You can use olive oil, aloe vera oil, sunflower oil, just to mention a few. So at this point, I transferred my recipe onto the stove and I'm going to cook it for about 10 minutes on a medium heat. Make sure you stay with your recipe and cook it on a low heat because you do not want to burn it. But you really want to cook it well because naturally garlic and ginger has some water in it. So you want to make sure it is really cooked, otherwise your oil will go bad. At this point, my oil is all ready. I just strained it. And I'm going to strain it the second time because there were some little particles in the oil. So I'm going to use a paper towel to strain it the second time. As I said, this oil is really powerful, but you just have to know the right way to use it. So make sure you're watching to the end because I'm going to show you all the tips you need to know. There are a few ingredients I need to add to this oil to even make it work much better. Alright, so this is my vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil is really great when it comes to hair growth. It can help prevent hair breakages, hair fall, and any other hair issues. It also helps improve the health of your scalp. The next ingredient I'm going to add is my lavender oil. Aside the fragrance of the lavender oil, it also has so many great benefits when it comes to hair growth. It can reduce hair shedding and improve the overall health of your hair. It can even treat dandruff and other scalp issues. So adding the vitamin E oil as well as the lavender oil to this recipe is going to maximize its benefits. And after adding the two, just make sure to stir everything in together and you have your recipe all ready. Look at how beautiful this is looking. And the smell, it is out of this world. It smells amazing. You must give this a try and you will love it. I just love how it works on my hair and the feel on your scalp. Guys, you must give this a try. And it's really, really powerful. But you have to know the best way to use it. And since I'm not greedy and I'm spilling all the tea to the tea, I'm going to show you the best way to use this oil. So make sure you're watching till the end. And if you haven't done so already, make sure you show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs like these, you will always be notified. Alright, so there are so many ways you can use this oil. You can use it as your regular oil to seal in moisture in your hair. You can use it as your pre-poo treatment. You can also use it as your hot oil treatment. But regardless of how you use it, make sure it gets onto that scalp. And whenever you're using it, concentrate on the parts that you have problems with. And after applying it, make sure you massage your scalp because massaging your scalp will help you to penetrate your hair strands and your scalp and also improve blood circulation in the scalp to help you grow new healthy hair. Click on the video you see on your screen right now to watch other ways to grow your hair much faster.